magnificent Bengal tiger roams its territory, embodying the sheer beauty and strength of nature. One day, while exploring deeper into the jungle, the tiger stumbles upon a breathtaking hidden waterfall, a place untouched by human hands. As it gazes into the crystal clear water, it catches a glimpse of its own reflection, realizing that this secret oasis may hold more than just beauty. Intrigued by a luminous flower that blooms at the water's edge, the tiger steps closer, enchanted by its magical glow. This beautiful bloom, unlike any other, seems to resonate with an ancient secret waiting to be uncovered.